Hello lover and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa. My name is Moana. Today on our YouTube video channel thingy, we are going to be making something very easy for mum that is also very traditional for Samoans, and that is an lole. So this is a really pretty one that we had left over from last year, but the way we're going to do it this year is that we're going to concentrate on using the things that we already have in our home, because right now it's very difficult to get out in most places and to buy all of the things that we want for mum. So we're going to make use of what we have in our homes and whatever it is that you have in your cupboards. So let's get to making an whatever's in your cupboard. So today we're going to begin with getting the outside part of the ula. So we use cling wrap. I think in America it's called plastic wrap. You can also use cellophane, whatever again you have in your house, even if it's a plastic bag, like a garbage bag that you can just stretch out. So you pull out as much as you need. So we're going to make this a little longer than the table. So as you saw in the nice ula that we had previously, it had nice ribbons. Yeah, so it had nice ribbons in between the different lollies. Today we don't have nice ribbon, so we are using cut up pieces of wool that we have left over. So we're going to put those here because we're going to need them shortly. We also don't have a lot of lollies, so we have some leftover candy lollies from Halloween, so we're going to make use of those. We have some jelly. I'm going to put that one out. We have some tuna, a can of tuna, so we're going to put a can of tuna over here. We have some smush balls, an oatmeal slice, and a protein bar. So once you have all of them, you will want to space them out along your plastic wrap. Three lollies there. I'm going to put our oatmeal slice here. Put some, so you can make it as pretty as you like, as big as you like, as long as you like. You pull out way, yeah? You are the boss. So I'm going to put some smooth there, some candy here, and a can of tuna there. This out of it so we can. I needed a bigger table, but anyway, we're just gonna rearrange this until we're happy with what we have, and I think that's good. So once you have all of your goodies for your necklace, your ula, then you have spaced it all out, and you fold over one edge of the cling wrap, and then you fold the other edge of the cling wrap. So you want to make sure that there's a little bit of edge at the ends so it's easier to tie. Now we're going to bring out our cut up pieces of wool. You can use string, you can use ribbon, you can use whatever you like. If you have hair ties, you can use a hair tie. So we're going to start from the middle. Let out a bit of the air. I'm going to tie over here, some wool. Now, the ula is given as a gift, as a thank you, as a form of respect to visitors. It's also given as a gift to thank people. And so that is why Mother's Day, graduations, birthdays, conferences, you will see people who are treated with, are seen as dignitaries or people who are highly, how would you call it, highly respected during the event. Will be walking around with an hula. Sometimes it's made of flowers, other times it's made of lollies. So today we are making an hula necklace made of everything that we can find at home, because it's a little bit difficult for children to be getting out and purchasing gifts from the store. So if you have a child and you want to do a project with them while you're at home, this is the perfect project for you to do. They can help you with finding the different items to put inside your hula. They can help with cutting up the ribbon or the wool. They can help with all of the aspects of the hula making. So now we're going to join the ends. I didn't leave a lot of space. This is going to be like a mini hula because my table is quite small. But let me see if I can tie some thread around here. If not, you can always just get a little bit more cling wrap and add to it. So in this case, we will just be scrunching it up. We'll just add one end to this end and tie it with our string. Tie it tight and make it pretty with a bow, and then we're going to tie the other end to this end, so that makes it a little longer and it's also easier to tie. There we are. Tie the ribbon, bow. Okay, so here is my hula of everything that I could find in my house, because sometimes we don't have anything in our house that is suitable. And so this is my hula that I can give to Mum. Yes, and that is our lockdown Mother's Day gift that you can give to your mum this Sunday. And yes, so if you found that you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like us to make more of these types of videos, tell us in the comments below so that we know what types of videos to be making for you, so that you get the benefit of it all. Yes, and thank you again. Subscribe if you really like our channel, and we will see you again. Tō whāsoi fua. Thank you, son.